If you're seeing a Todoist error 429, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help you get back into Todoist fast. Error 429 usually means too many requests are being sent too quickly, and that can happen because of a VPN, a shared IP address, or even a browser extension running in the background. So if Todoist suddenly starts acting up, follow these steps one by one and you should be able to narrow down the cause quickly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, turn off any VPN you're using. If you share a VPN or public IP address with heavy automation bots, Todoist may mistakenly block your connection. So open your VPN app and disconnect it, then refresh Todoist and see if the error is gone. If you're on a work network, school network, or shared internet connection, that could also be part of the problem, so testing on a different network can help confirm it. Next, disable any interfering browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or automation add-ons can sometimes send repeated background requests that trigger a 429 error. To test this, go into your browser's extension settings and temporarily turn off anything that might interfere with Todoist. After disabling them, reload Todoist and check if it works normally. If the error disappears, you've likely found the cause. Another great test is to open Todoist in an Incognito window. This is one of the fastest ways to see whether the problem is being caused by a browser extension or cached browser data. In most browsers, an incognito window disables many extensions by default, so if Todoist works there, that strongly suggests one of your extensions is the issue. If that happens, go back and re-enable your extensions one at a time until you find the one causing the problem. That way, you can keep using Todoist without triggering the error again. You can also try signing out and signing back into Todoist, then refreshing the page. Sometimes a temporary session issue can contribute to the problem, especially if you've had the page open for a long time or multiple tabs are syncing at once. If you're still stuck, clear your browser cache and cookies for Todoist and try again. That can remove stale data that might be causing repeated requests or login conflicts. Now, the key thing to remember is that error 429 is usually not a permanent account issue. It's often caused by network activity, browser behavior, or a tool in the background sending too many requests. So by turning off your VPN, disabling extensions, and testing Todoist in incognito mode, you can usually find the problem pretty quickly. If one of these fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments which one solved it. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.